All right, we are in the 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time hour, and there's so much more Oktoberfest to go. We're about to shoot it up to Stephen Raichlen on the set of Project Fire Season 3. But before we go to Steve, just give you a quick little preview of what's to come to Oktoberfest Sunday. We're gonna head over to the Oregon wine country with a nice little brunch, and we're gonna shoot over to Europe where you'll have a plethora of international flavors, as well as more amazing memories from Oktoberfest from the 22 years with Ed Fisher. So Stephen, without further ado, take it away, sir.
Hi everybody, I'm Stephen Raichlen. Welcome to the set of Project Fire Season 3. We're excited to join you for Oktoberfest 2020. To celebrate, we're going to cook one of my favorite dishes on the Big Green Egg and give you a sneak preview of the next season of Project Fire. Oktoberfest is about sharing your favorite Big Green Egg recipes. You can tag your social posts with the hashtag Oktoberfest 2020 so we can all see what's on your grill. And you can keep up with me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Grill on! Pollo al matone is a dish so beloved by Italians that two great food cities, Florence and Rome, claim its parentage. The name, brick chicken literally, does little to suggest its deliciousness. Yet the brick is essential for crisping the skin and keeping the meat moist and tender. I have a twist that adds even more flavor. Grill the chicken under a salt slab. Step number 1, spatchcock the chicken. Turn it on its back, and using kitchen scissors, make a lengthwise cut along the backbone on the right and then the left. Spatchcocking enables you to grill a whole chicken flat. Then turn your chicken around and using a paring knife, cut through this bit of white cartilage above the breastbone. Snap the chicken out on one side and the other to expose the breastbone. Then run your thumbs along the inside of the breastbone to loosen it from the meat. Now, snap the breastbone away from the cartilage. Lift up the breastbone and pull it out away from the meat. Just trimming it like that. Then lift up and pull out the cartilage. Next, make a slit in the skin between the thigh and the rib cage. Now, tuck the end of the drumstick through the slit, pull it through, tuck the other end of the drumstick through, turn the bird over, tuck the wingtips under the wings, and there's your spatchcock chicken, ready for seasoning and grilling. Now make the herb rub. It starts with coarse sea salt, into which you will grate fresh lemon zest. Lemon zest adds a bright flavor. Next, add a freshly ground black pepper, finely chopped fresh garlic, chopped fresh rosemary, chopped fresh thyme, and hot pepper flakes. And mix the ingredients for the rub with your fingers. Now turn the spatchcock chickens over and season the meat side with the rub. Then drizzle the chicken with extra virgin olive oil. Now turn the chickens over. And season the skin side of the chicken with the herb rub. And again, drizzle with extra virgin olive oil. Pretty simple so far. Now to the grill. To grill the chicken, I'm using a big green egg, extra large. I set it up for indirect grilling with the convector plate in the center. And as always, we'll brush the grate clean and oil it with a cotton oiling cloth dipped in vegetable oil, drawn across the bars of the grate. Now arrange your spatchcock chickens skin side down on the grill. Do one here and one here. And now the cool part, place a salt slab on each chicken. The salt slab compresses the meat and keeps it from drying out. Close the grill. Adjust the vents to obtain an internal temperature of about 400 degrees. Cooking time about 40 to 50 minutes. Meanwhile, let me show you the pepperoncini vinaigrette. It starts with Dijon-style mustard, next, white wine vinegar, a pinch of salt, and freshly ground black pepper. Whisk these ingredients together to dissolve the salt crystals, then work in extra virgin olive oil. It's about 4 parts olive oil to 1 part vinegar. Now add thinly slivered black olives, drained capers, chopped fresh chives, thinly slivered pepperoncini, those wonderful pickled peppers, and finally quartered cherry tomatoes. Stir the ingredients to mix. And here you have a very simple, flavorful condiment to serve with the chicken. Speaking of the chicken, it's been about 25 minutes and you can see the chicken look beautifully bronzed on the bottom. So take off the salt slabs. 1, 2, and then take off your chickens. Transfer them to a wire rack. Then place the salt slabs back on the grill. And you'll finish cooking the chicken on the salt slab, so it will flavor the meat side of the chicken. Then take your chicken, turn it over, place it back on the grill. Beautiful. And you'll finish roasting the chicken on the salt slab. Close the grill. You need about another 15 minutes. Whoa! Check out that salt slab chicken. It looks amazing. I'm sure it's done, but just to check, you can wiggle that drumstick. You can see it moves freely. So I'll put on my insulated gloves. Grab the chicken. I like to serve it right on the salt slab. So there's 1. Here's 2. Beautiful. Close the grill lid. Okay. So I'll lift a leg. I'm just going to carve it off right here. I'll cut myself a little piece of wing. Then a couple of grilled hot peppers. Finally, a spoonful of your pepperoncini vinaigrette. And now, the moment of truth. Take a taste. That skin is so crisp, it crunches when I bite into it. The meat is moist, scented with rosemary and thyme. What I love about salt slab grilling is how moist it keeps the chicken. And of course, the salt slab imparts its own salty flavor to the meat. I'll take a little of the vinaigrette. I love the piquancy of those pickled pepperoncini peppers. From Italy to Project Fire here in Baltimore, it's chicken on a salt slab. That's it from Reisterstown, Maryland on the set of Project Fire. Thank you, Big Green Egg, for inviting us to your Eggtoberfest 2020 celebration.
Thank you so much, Stephen. That looked incredible. And I know I speak for everybody while we're patiently waiting for Project Fire Season 3 premiere in 2021 on PBS. Thank you so much to all the cooks, all the chefs, all you eggheads for participating and following along for all this culinary excitement. That is my time for today, but you can't get rid of me that easily. Stay tuned for 20 to the hour. I'll be doing my own cooking demo live. That's right, you heard it here first. And coming up in the next hour at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, The Godfather, Ed Fisher, look at those chops, pretty nice, premiering the wonderful world of Eggtoberfest. Are you guys excited? Because I know I am. So stay tuned. All that excitement and fun is coming right up now.